How to create professional business card on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create business card on Microsoft Word easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is go to Microsoft Word. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do to create a business card is go to the cards option right here. Click on cards. Now go to the search and search for business, and you will find some options right here. As you can see, this business card, for example, this one, all are business cards. Choose the one that you want. For example, I like this one. Click on create. And now as you can see here, you can add your photo, your logo, and the name of your company or your name, How to Media. And now it's changed. Change the company name, city, email address, web address, and after you finish, click on the save here and it will be saved automatically. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.